Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Jennifer, at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we are looking at your brand new 2018 Toyota Corolla IM. It's a 4-door, 5-passenger front-wheel drive hatchback in a stunning Blizzard Pearl. Under the hood, you'll find a 1.8-liter inline 4-cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of 17-inch alloy wheels. On the front here, you can see that you have your automatic high beams as well as your power folding side mirrors and those fun sporty curves to match your style and personality. But why don't we head on inside and take a look. Helping you into your vehicle is your handy fob. It has the lock, the unlock, as well as a panic button. This button here simply flips that key out as well. To unlock your driver's side, simply press once. And to unlock all 4 doors, press twice. As you can see, you also have that turn signal indicator on your side mirror. Opening it up now. You have plenty of space to hop into your brand new Corolla, as well as this awesome black trim throughout for that added style. We have your power windows and your power locks, as well as some storage on the side there. And below we have your all-weather floor mats, perfect for when things start getting a little bit messy. And your interiors are these beautiful soft fabric seats to really just add that extra sporty touch all throughout. Starting up your IM is simple. So you flip that key out and put it in, foot on the brake, and start that ignition. That welcome screen is going to welcome you with really great ambient lighting, as well as your menu on your dashboard, which does have that lane departure warning, so you can focus on driving nice and safe. And you have all of your other options to play around with. We have this great leather-wrapped steering wheel. We're seeing that gray stitching as contrast again with your hands-free calling and your volume mode changers. All of that is steering wheel mounted. We do have your cruise control available down there. And your sweet Intune 3.0 system, which does have the AHA radio, which you can sync with your phone for your music and your web radio. You also do have your AM FM radio, as well as your Bluetooth audio, which comes with your hands-free calling, so you can take your tunes wherever you go. It is a touchscreen, but you do have all your manual controls as well, and it's complemented with that beautiful black trim for that modern styling. Speaking of modern, take a look at that sweet climate control. You have a dual zone climate control system, which you can set a different temperature for your passenger and for your driver. And keeping me nice and warm right now is your heated seats, which you can control from down here. So adjusting that temperature, as well as your 12-volt DC charger and your USB and auxiliary input, can all be covered with this handy convertible storage, which is nice to keep everything nice and clean. We've got that really beautiful sporty touch with that leather trim again, as well as on your shift knob. You have your sport drive mode, as well as your traction control, your cup holders for your morning coffee, as well as your center console, which has this handy shelf on top for any smaller items. And below, we have plenty of storage space. It is a little bit dark, but this mat does come out, so it's nice and easy to keep clean for you. Over in your glove box here, you have all the manuals you'll need to know everything there is to know about your Corolla IM. And the beauty of it all is this beautiful white leather to complement the gray and the black and bring all of that style together. On the side here, we have your power folding mirrors option, which is handy, especially for in those city driving situations when you have to pull in and out of tight spots. As well as you have your pre-collision alert down here, as well as part of your Toyota Safety Sense. Plenty going on the inside of your vehicle, but why don't we head on back and take a look at cargo. Here we are at the back cargo area of your IM. Taking a closer look, you do have that rear windshield wiper for when things start getting a little bit wet, as well as your backup camera to get into those tight spots. You have this pretty sweet skid plate to keep everything nice and protected. Opening up your tailgate, simply press that button and it'll open up with plenty of space for you to store everything that you need for your family and for groceries. You have this handy cargo lamp to make sure that you can see everything that's inside. And underneath this hard cover here, we have convertible storage as well as all the tools and jacks that you would need in case anything happens. Then underneath here, we have your spare tire. Everything kind of just closes up nicely. You also have this handy hard cover to make sure that that privacy is maintained for everything that you're storing in your cargo area, and this handle to pull down that back tailgate. And we'll take one more look at the back of your Corolla. Taking one final look at your 2018 Toyota Corolla IM. With that CVT, you have your intelligence and shift mode to add that fun to drive experience back into your life. But don't just take my word for it. Come on in, try it out, take it for a test drive and see how it fits in with your lifestyle. We are at the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Thank you again for watching this walk around video, and until I see you next time, drive safe.